guys, welcome back. Today we are working on pulling the cluster from the R32 to send it off to get it fixed and upgraded. Anybody that has one of these Mark IV Golfs or Jettas know that the LCD screen has a tendency to fade over a period of time, and with these cars being 25 years old now, it's bound to happen. It's just a matter of time. This is what mine currently looks like. Off to get replaced. As you can see, it's starting to fade in this area as it gets hotter in the car. During the summertime, it gets to the point where you can't see it at all. So we're going to be sending it off to Matt Leakey to get it fixed and upgraded. Alright guys, I got the cluster back from Clusters by Leakey. I just had them replace the LCD and do a gauge sweep mod to it and accurate coolant temp. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it is clean. No more faded LCD. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just giving you guys an update on the R32. I have done about 300 miles on it since I've gotten the engine, since I've rebuilt the engine. She's doing very good right now. Just have a few things to iron out. Getting the body straightened out now. Eventually going to have a repaint done on her, and now just got to go through a very thorough detailing cleaning, since she's been sitting for a while and got dirt in her nooks and crannies. Got to get her all cleaned up again, but she's doing very well. Good to have her back on the road. Fun to drive. Miss her. So keep an eye out. She'll be running around. You see me out, stop by, say hi.